In today's video, we will explore how a delicious fruitcake is made inside a modern factory. From fresh, colorful fruits to soft and rich batter, you will see every step of the complete production process. We will show how ingredients are carefully selected, cleaned, mixed, baked, decorated, and packed with precision. Fruitcake is loved around the world for its sweet taste, soft texture, and rich fruit flavor. Inside this factory, advanced machines and skilled workers work together to create perfectly baked fruitcakes on a large scale. Watch closely as we take you behind the scenes of this amazing fruitcake manufacturing journey. In this phase, we will show how all the main ingredients for fruitcake arrive at the factory. Fresh fruits, flour, sugar, butter, and eggs are carefully delivered and checked. Quality control is very important because the taste of the fruitcake depends on these ingredients. In this phase, we will see how the fruits are washed and sorted. Machines and workers remove dust and any bad pieces. Only clean and high-quality fruits are selected to make sure the fruitcake tastes fresh and delicious. In this phase, we will show how the fruitcake batter is prepared. Flour, sugar, butter, and eggs are mixed together in large industrial mixers. After that, colorful dried fruits are added to create a rich and thick batter. In this phase, we will see how the prepared batter is poured into cake molds. Special machines fill each mold evenly. This step ensures that every fruitcake has the same size and perfect shape before baking. In this phase, we will show how the fruitcakes are baked inside large industrial ovens. Heat is carefully controlled so the cakes rise properly and form a golden crust. This is where the fruitcake gets its soft texture and rich flavor. In this phase, we will see how the baked fruitcakes are cooled down. Cooling is important to keep the texture perfect. The cakes are placed on racks or conveyors where air flows around them evenly. In this phase, we will show how syrup or glaze is added to the fruitcakes. This step makes the cake moist and enhances its sweet flavor. The glaze also gives the fruitcake a beautiful shine. In this phase, we will see how the fruitcakes are decorated. Cherries, almonds, and candied fruits are carefully placed on top. Decoration makes the fruitcake look attractive and ready for customers. In this phase, we will show how the finished fruitcakes are packed. Machines wrap and seal each cake properly. Packaging keeps the fruitcake fresh and safe during transportation. In this final production phase, we will see how the packed fruitcakes are sent to stores. Boxes are loaded onto trucks and delivered to different markets, where customers can buy and enjoy them. As we have seen, making a fruitcake in a modern factory is a careful and detailed process. From selecting fresh fruits to mixing, baking, decorating, and packaging, every step is important. Advanced machines and skilled workers work together to create soft, rich, and flavorful fruitcakes on a large scale. What looks like a simple dessert on the table is actually the result of precision, quality control, and teamwork. Each fruit cake carries the taste of carefully chosen ingredients and perfect baking. Next time you enjoy a slice of fruit cake with your family or friends, you will know the complete journey behind it, from factory production to your home.
There you go, son.
This is the best cake ever.
always say that, sweetheart.